When I put my house up, for the $1 million, I could say, case of Squatch Guard comes with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Then you could say, your resident Dirty South Squatchers come with it too. They'll come on the property and document your experience.
Comes with weekend guards.
Yeah. One of them may even get in your hot tub and eat all the food out of your
Dude,
house.
I'm taking that hot tub with me.
Are you really thinking about moving?
My wife's not all that enamored with the area we're in right now because our neighbors aren't good.
Oh, for
We
real.
got new neighbors and they're just not, you know how it goes.
Well, just tell them there's squatches out there. They might move.
They might.
Or act like one.
Well, we haven't told anybody. We did ask the old farmer that owns most of the properties around there if he'd seen anything, but we didn't mention that. We just wanted to kind of feel him out a little bit.
What do you say?
Nothing.
Nothing.
No, I ain't
He
seen
either
nothing.
knows or he don't want to tell.
See, when people answer like that,
Yeah.
they know.
He has cattle and
I
raises
just don't wanna
chickens,
say.
and
Oh, he knows.
they come in there and get a treat every now
Oh, hey, hey. Did that get brighter from last time or what?
Wow.
What is that? What kind of headlamp is that?
So take your
Yeah,
eyes
the
out.
damn blind everybody.
I hadn't seen you with that one before. What is that one?
I got this a couple months ago. It's got a big battery pack in the back right here.
What's the name of it?
It's worse than those cameras
Put your
in
eye
the
out.
dad that the bulbs would explode.
Oh,
I
Coach.
got it at Lowe's.
You got that? Okay, I got you. I've seen them at Lowe's.
Oh, okay.
I think it was just darker since.
Yeah, well,
I turned
everybody's
it on
used to
while
the
ago.
darkness too,
Well, it's got 3
but
settings.
it was bright.
It's all.
My
There's
pupils
one.
were the same
That's
size as mine.
I was
It's
blind.
got 2 settings. I'm sorry. And then it's got, you can have white with a red tint, or you can turn the white off and just have the red on.
I like the red.
Yeah, I thought so. We
Yeah,
need
you
to be
can,
nonchalant.
that don't blind you. Does it?
Yeah.
And the red don't
I
take your night
blinded
vision.
myself and it was pointing out. I went,
Yeah, the red's good night vision.
That really
Yeah.
hurt.
We used to use it in the Navy
Yeah. You could see and be.
before you went on watch.
So being in the Navy, you ever heard any tales of mermaids or anything like that?
Hi, Johnny.
There's a rumor that the Navy recorded some kind of sonic boom in the ocean that came from deep in the ocean.
Probably a whale farting.
Yeah. For real. That
Well,
might
you
be
know,
just an urban legend.
There's a
though.
lot of things in that ocean nobody knows about.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's the most undiscovered part of
Yeah.
really the whole world. I mean, there's some jungles that people hadn't went in parts of, but the ocean's largely unexplored.
Oh, yeah.
It's like, what, a third of it that's been explored?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're thinking, you got squids back there that are huge.
Some creatures you've never seen.
Yeah,
Weird
so-
looking things too, dude.
It's beautiful to be out there in certain parts, like in the Caribbean at night, but in the middle of the Atlantic, it's a little bit different.
Mm-hmm.
But we didn't stay out on the weather decks much at night because I didn't trust anybody, if you know what I mean.
Mm-hmm.
That's the good thing about being when you're underway, you don't have to stand a watch outside. When you porch, you're all outside. But I was ready for any seagoing squatches. Because we had our shotguns and our rifles.
I would think those birds would go to bed.
Oh, well, them birds are in the same place they were last time. You can hear them good on top of the mountain over there.
Yeah, they were still going at 1 or 2 in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
When we were walking out, when I had the flare going, you could hear them, as we were walking out, and they were going strong. I think it's funny when we heard that whispering how they piped down for a little
I know
while.
that was weird.
That was
Stopped
weird.
several times for a little while and started back up.
That was weird, but I'm like Bob. I clearly heard someone say, "Hey, Cody, you ready to go?" I clearly heard that. So,
heard it on the recording. You
I heard
couldn't
it.
tell
You did?
any-
I heard it on the recording. They said when me and you heard the mumbling when I turned it up, I heard it say, "Hey Cody, you ready to go?" And then some more talking, but I couldn't make nothing else out.
Really?
Yeah.
What the hell was that?
What
was-
was that?
That was a mosquito.
That was a mosquito. That was a big one.
That was a jet plane mosquito.
Wasn't it a mosquito, Bobby?
Nope.
They came through here.
Did you hear that? You hear it, Don?
Yeah.
The mosquito.
Like a Top Gun pilot coming through.
It went wrong.
That's like a.
I don't think you can hear it. Only I can hear mosquitoes. It's got to be up here.
That's a nano. That's a nano critter.
Mosquito I've ever heard. He was booking.
Dang, I ain't never heard that before.
Me neither. That's a new one on me.
Did you hear it, Bobby?
He come through here on funny time.
I must have been talking. I thought.
No, you weren't. You were quiet. It came right.
Hey, I just seen lights on the mountain.
Oh, did you?
Look.
That might have been a light passing through.
What is that flashing down there? There's something flashing. It looks like a daggum bug. Like a daggum lightning bug. Is that a car coming or what? Yeah, every once in a while you can see it flashing.
There ain't no cars coming. Because you'd hear the road popping.
Look, I heard it again. It's off that way. Toward the road, toward the big tree.
That looks like lightning bug.
I know, that's
Too
what I
early for
thought.
lightning bug.
I thought it was lightning bug. See, there it goes again. I didn't like. Turn that flashlight on. Yeah, I know. That's kind of down my way.
What, my flashlight?
Yeah, there's a lot of those right on that thing.
Well, I like to have a night light.
Hold it in your hands down to the side.
Don, you want to look through here and check this out? I'm about to change up my batteries in a little while.
It's hard to tell how to get around over there, isn't it?
I was seeing it good there for a second. You could really see it.
Yeah, turn your light on so you don't trip over. I got a little string right there, so you don't need to walk around that string.
First time I've ever seen him do that.
There's my eyepiece right there. Watch your hands right there. Just lean down and look through there. You can move it around and look if you want to. I got it on that tree down by the way.
Oh, that's probably moved it.
Oh, you good. Go ahead and move it around a little bit. You can see pretty good down through there as far as the little grass line and everything. I just put it on the tree figuring something might move around that tree.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Definitely got a little more range than the one I was using.
It's very similar. But I mean, that's $250, the one you're using for the money. That's good.
Yeah. Well, DJ was really happy with it.
Oh, it's good. I'm seriously thinking about getting me one. I saw that light. I'm thinking I got a DVR that I hook up to my FLIR, and you can get sound with it, but I can't get it to work with this. If I think I may be able to get it to work with that one, I get one.
Well, you know, I'll never buy another game camera that doesn't have sound. I had one, I bought it, and it didn't have sound. I was really disappointed.
I got a couple that don't have sound, and some I just got it on picture mode. I got one that's got sound. It's good. It's good. But my other ones take good pictures. Oh shoot, they take real good pictures. They don't have sound to go with it.
The game camera I lost, I got stolen off the tree. It didn't have any audio, so I'm glad they left the other one. I got it in the trunk of my car.
Mm-hmm.